Hello viewers, welcome to this channel. My name is Ashok Sen Gupta, Assistant Professor in School of Management Sciences, Lucknow. Today we will discuss on the topic cash flow as a profit or component of cash flow. It is a part of a lecture in Financial Management and Corporate Finance in MBA program. So first we should understand about what is cash flow. Cash flow. Cash flow is an inflow and outflow of money from business. It is necessary. It is necessary for daily operations, taxation, purchasing of inventory, paying the employees and operating cost. Positive cash flow indicate the company's liquidity position increase, they enable the settling the debts, expenses and other things. So, you can understand that how much cash is important for any company, any organization. Cash or liquid, it is a liquid asset which helps us to maintain or run the business day to day operations, daily operations. A small amount of payment, we cannot wait for 1 month. In industries or in a factories or in an office, the employees get daily a cup of tea morning and evening. That is a kind of, and the payment of that tea per cup paid by the company's accountant to the tea vendor, or sometime in it is prepared, the tea is prepared in canteen of a company, but the basic requirement for the tea is sugar, tea leaves and milk and gas, power, and these are the recurring expenses. So, when if you are lacking with cash, sometime you are not able to pay the or purchase the sugar for the canteen. It is very important thing. Universities, institutes are running and they have a mess for the students, canteen for the students. The canteen owner or canteen manager have to take care of the maintenance of cash for to pay day to day expenses, for the vegetables or other perishable items, required items. So, cash flow is inflow and outflow of fund, cash in the business. Inflow, when take example, when telecom users or mobile phone users pay their bills, postpaid bills, recharge their accounts by certain amount of money, this is inflow of fund or inflow of cash. Against that, when company pay the salary, pay the basics requirement, pay the taxes, pay the inventories, this is the outflow of fund. And every organization need to understand that management of cash is so much important that without proper management of cash, it is very difficult to run the organization for a long day. Similarly, if you do not have a cash, then it is also impact on your goodwill. Shareholder settlements. If shareholder sell their shares as per the SEBI guidelines T plus 2 day or sometime by ATM facility by some brokers, company have to transfer the funds from settlement houses and they are all the accounts will be settled. If they have a crunch of cash, then it is not possible. You cannot say to the shareholder, wait, we do not have a cash, we can't trade, we do not have a cash. If sale of a share is allowed, then at a particular time of period the shareholder have to gets money back. When we purchase the share, it is a capital nature. Company borrow the capital by shareholdings. Company, if not following the cash management, cash flow management properly, then there is a difficulty to manage the overall company's working conditions or working capital management. So, positive cash flow always impact on the shareholders, on the stakeholders, while negative cash flow always create negativity and demotivation factor among the stakeholder also. During the pandemic, we heard the news about that company not able to pay the salaries to the employees. Company says we do not have a business, we are not able to pay the cash. But in theoretically, we read that we have to maintain the cash, or we have to manage the cash for the approximately for the 3 months, for 5 months, for these kind of circumstances, but in practically it is not possible. Most of the companies are not able to do that. Some big companies are doing so, but small vendors, small firms, small companies, sole proprietor companies, they are not able to provide the salary to these employees more than 1 month without any business, because they do not have a cash, or they do not want to pay the cash out of their pocket, and this is because of negative cash flow. This is because of non applying the working capital management. So, it is very important to understand the flow of cash. So, what is profit? We all know profit is one of the major objective. To earn profit is one of the major objective of the firm. Anyone doing his business commercially want to earn profit. Doing a business means profit. If we do not want to earn profit, then we are not doing the business, we are doing some social work, we are engaged in some social activities. But profit is a motivating factor, it is a motivation factor to the company, to the stakeholders. Every entrepreneur, owner of a firm expecting good profit after a whole year of work. When we compute their profit, final profit in March after closing first year of closing, they expected that they get a good profit. Profit shows the overall performance of quantitative basis, overall performance of the firm, industries. Profit shows how company is progressive. Profit shows demand of a particular product of a company. So, there are 3 major types of profit to be which are analyzed, and analysts analyze this profit: gross profit, operating profit, net profit. So, gross profit is all include the direct expenses. Gross profit is, in simple accounting terminology, we know that gross profit is what? Direct sales minus purchase plus opening minus closing, gross profit. It involve all the expenses and deduct the expenses directly involved in during the working from the sales. GP is what? Gross profit. Sales minus purchase plus wages minus closing stock plus opening stock. Closing stock, this is gross profit. In accounts you are, I hope you understand, in accounts you are, it is quite clear. Second is operating profit. Operating profit means profit earned from the business only, earned from the business only. There are some kind of profit which company earned indirectly from different sources, like sell the assets and earn profit, sell the shares, but that is not a business operations. So, operating profit is the profit which company earns from its own business directly, not indirectly, like sale of, as I said, like sell any old scrap and get the profit, include in the profit in the profit and loss account, but we cannot calculate it as operating profit. Third is net profit. Third is net profit. Net profit is, we know that net profit is less sorry, net profit is gross profit minus indirect expenses plus indirect income. Indirect income. So, this is net profit. It is a part of profit loss account, in which we from gross profit we deduct the indirect expenses, add the indirect income, and we get net profit. So, this is the profit. So, profitability of the firm can be found in income statement. In income statement we can find all this. So, this is the profit. This is all about the profit. So, what is important to a business? Management of cash or net profit? Ultimately both are different thing. Managing the cash is different aspect, earning profit is different aspect. But when we if we compare, then both are same important, both are same important. If you do not have a cash, then how you pay the salary, wages? If you not pay the wages to the employee, salary to the employee, wages to the worker, payment of the electricity, then your company's operation will not work. If you not pay the electricity, then you can't access the power. If you not pay the wages, the employee will not work with you. They maybe they go for the strike, or they left their job, and for a certain period of time you there is no business. On the other hand, without profit, we can not survive for a long time without profit. Main objective of the business is to do profit. But profit is a long term process, but cash flow is a short term process. Sometime business not earn profit within a certain period of time from the inception period, like 1 year, 6 months, 1.5 years. After that, he little bit getting the profit, because he have to stable in market, understand the market situation, customer behavior, customers view, customer choice to purchase their product, and later on they earn profit after a certain period of time. but you need to manage the cash from the inception of the company. So, you have to manage the cash for the inception of the company, because finally you need profit, finally you want to earn profit. So, want to earn profit, you have to run the business smoothly, and without proper cash management, cash flow, it is not possible. So, both are equally balanced and important for the business. Cash flow is a short term, because we have to review our cash every month, every quarterly, every sixth. We cannot wait to manage the cash or reconcile the cash statement at the end of the year. It is in end of the year, but we have to keep monitoring the cash management, have to keep monitoring the cash inflow. So, if there is any crunch in the cash, or if there is any negative cash flow, then we can arrange it on a proper time. जैसे कि अब आपको पता है कि हमें बिजनेस एक्सपोर्ट करना है किसी प्रोडक्ट का, या फिर उसका ऑर्डर आया हुआ है और रॉ मटेरियल खरीदने के लिए पैसा आपके पास कम पड़ रहा है, देन यू गो फॉर द बैंक और एनी रिलेटिव, एनी हाउ यू मैनेज योर मनी. So, therefore, monitoring the cash is properly monitoring the cash is very important. Cash flow is the money that flow in and out in our business throughout a given period, while profit is remain from your revenue after costs are deducted. So, basic difference is कैश, पैसा, जैसे हम लोग भी कहते हैं कि पैसा तो आता जाता है. इफ़ यू बीइंग ए इंडिविजुअल, फॉर बीइंग ए इंडिविजुअल, वी अर्न एंड वी एक्सपेंड. कमाते हैं, पैसा आया, पैसा गया, पैसा आया, पैसा गया. इट इज़ अ कंटिन्यूस प्रोसेस, बिकॉज विदाउट इन्वेस्टमेंट you can't get the return. So, cash flow is money, the flow in and out in business throughout the period. बिजनेस में पैसा आना जाना पूरे टाइम होता है. स्पेशली इन फाइनेंशियल सेक्टर लाइक बैंक, यू फाइंड हाउ मेनी पीपल डिपॉजिट, हाउ मेनी पीपल विड्रॉ. इट इज़ अ होल डे, होल ईयर प्रोसेस. अ पर्सन कैन डिपॉजिट, विड्रॉ, ट्रांसफर. सो कैश फ्लो इज a flow of money in and out, but profit is whatever remain after deduction of the cost. प्रॉफिट क्या होता है? जो पैसा हमारे पास बच जाता है सारे खर्चों को निपटाते हुए, वो प्रॉफिट होता है. और आखिर में हमें वही पैसा दिखाई देता है. आखिर में हम उसी प्रॉफिट को अपने गुडविल में इस्तेमाल करते हैं. उसी प्रॉफिट की वजह से हमारा गुडविल बढ़ता है, मार्केट बढ़ता है. उसी प्रॉफिट को हम इस्तेमाल करते हैं टू इन्वेस्ट इन द फ्यूचर. सो व्हाट वी हैव, वट एवर लेफ्ट आफ्टर द बिजनेस एट द एंड ऑफ द फाइनेंशियल ईयर, आफ्टर डिडक्टिंग द ऑल एक्सपेंसेस, इट इज़ अवर प्रॉफिट. It varies according to the period, it is fluctuated according to the period, but cash flow is inflow and outflow of fund. While profit will show you the immediate success of the business, cash flow may be more as means of determining your company long term financial look. In this sense, we key between the difference between two metrics time. So, while profit is show your success in a business, how you are successful, what is your expectation, how much you can earn during the period of time in a year, it is your profit and it is show you success. While cash flow be a more assault means of determining your company long term financial look. फ्यूचर में आप कितने कैसे काम करेंगे, फ्यूचर में लॉन्ग टर्म पैसा कहाँ से लाएंगे, कितना पैसा आपके बैंक में रहेगा जो बिजनेस में इस्तेमाल किया जाएगा. दैट इज कैश फ्लो. बहुत ज़्यादा पैसा, too much amount of money store in a bank account, store in a locker, it's not give you positive result. If you have a lot of cash and you say I have maintaining the cash for the future, but it is more than optimum, it may also create problem for you because you stuck the money. पैसे के फ्लो को रोक दिया आपने, you stop the flow of fund. You are thinking short term period of time, but you are not thinking long term. If you have excess money, then invest it, store the or save the returns, and think about how to maintain your capital cash management or working capital management, because cash is a liquid asset. When you consider a cash flow versus profit, it is also important to remember that it is completely possible for the business to be profitable by having poor cash flow. For example, if you are in a small electronic manufacturer selling wholesale product to large companies, delay payment will cause you a cash crunch, but as you are not able to pay your suppliers, even if you have a successful product and dry sell, it could be more facing cash issues. It could be more, but at the end of the year, when we saw the balance sheet, profit statement, it shows you are in profit, because you sold your product on credit basis. This is create a problem. This is a problem. If you are not managing the debtors and if you are selling the more and more product to grab the market in credit basis, then it will hamper your cash management. आपकी सेल्स में तो दिखा देगा, it shows in a balance trading account that your sales is 100 crore, but how much percentage of sale is in cash and how much in credit is important. If out of 80% sale is in credit and you are not able to receive the cash from the debtors, and it will hamper your business more or later, because initially to grab the market you sell the product on credit basis. It can also a issue of bad debts. पता लगा 80% में से 5% बैड डेप्ट निकल गए, इतने लोगों ने आपका पैसा दे ही नहीं पाए, वो चले गए, दुकान चली गई, दुकान बंद हो गई, आपको पता ही नहीं. सो इन फाइनल बैलेंस शीट there is a profit, your sale is very high and there is a profit, but you are facing a liquid crunch or liquidity problems because of transfer of debtors or debtors turnover ratio. So, this is the statement, cash flow statement. There are three components of cash flow statement. This is the second part of this lecture. Three parts of cash flow investment, and we can also say component. The first component is operating activities, cash flow from operations. We divide the cash flow in three parts: operating activities, investment, finance. So, in operating activity, what is your sale? It is your inflow of cash. What you purchase, it outflow of cash. So, both sale and purchase are part of your operating activity. So, this is important. Cash flow from operating activity, आपके actual बिजनेस से कितना पैसा आ रहा है, ऑपरेशन से कितना पैसा आ रहा है, कितना पैसा जा रहा है, कैश कितना फ्लो हो रहा है, इनफ्लो एंड आउटफ्लो ऑफ द कैश. सेकंड इज इन्वेस्टमेंट एक्टिविटी. If you having excess of amount, if you want to invest in certain assets for long term or shorter period of time with different securities, that is outflow of cash. And when you get redeem back, आपका कोई FD करवाया अपनी कंपनी के नाम से, आपने कुछ शेयर्स खरीदे कंपनी के नाम से और later on you sell out all the shares, that is cash from investment activities. You purchase the shares of different companies, it is investment activities, it is the outflow of the fund, and you sell the share of different companies, it is an inflow of the fund. And last is financial activities, financing activities. You borrow the cash or capital from different source. उसमें आपका कैश आता है, जैसे आपने डिवेंचर इशू किया, आपने शेयर इशू किया कंपनीज के, उसके बदले में आपको कैश आया और आपने अगर डिवेंचर वापस कर दिया या शेयर रिडीम कर दिए, यानी कि आपने शेयर होल्डर को पैसा वापस कर दिया, दैट इज आउटफ्लो ऑफ फाइनेंशियल एक्टिविटीज. सो कैश कंपोनेंट, कैश फ्लो कंपोनेंट 3 बेसिक थिंग्स. ऑपरेटिंग एक्टिविटीज़ जो बिजनेस से रिलेटेड होता है, इन्वेस्टमेंट जो आप बिजनेस इन्वेस्ट करता है और इन्वेस्ट से पैसा मिलता है, एंड थर्ड इज़ फाइनेंस, बोरो करना, बोरो फॉर जो ऑपरेशन, बोरो करा मार्केट से और बोरो करने के बाद जब यूज़ हो गया, बैंक से लोन लिया, बोरो किया एंड देन रीपे द बैंक, इट इज़ अ फाइनेंशियल एक्टिविटी. So at the end of this lecture, these are some references. You can find the detail from these references, and hope you understand this topic about the cash and cash flow of the management and what is the difference of cash and profit. Thank you for watching this video.